Alright guys, this is how things are going right now here at the command center of the JW Solar USA. See the wattage drop there because the clouds came back, covered up. You know, it's not all the time the weather guy is right, so let's see how things go. But basically we already generated 1.8 watt hours. Let me show you what our state of charge is right now. With our 8 watt hours already replaced to the batteries, when we started, you can see the 11 right there. This 11 right here was the one we consume at night. So guys, we already put in back. It's almost 2 amps more to go, and we are currently sitting at 99%. So the system replenished itself over 800 watt. 800 watt hours we just produced right now. And you see we started at this 95% all night. So the system is pushing 2.5 amp hours back to the batteries, which it reads as 160 watt hours, and the charge controller is reading 167 watt hours. 167 watt, as you can see right now. That's what it is, and the system is just doing fantastic. So it might be because of the batteries almost getting full, the wattage drop as well, and mostly the loads are like refrigerator, freezer. Nothing is turned on right now, just my TV is on, and it's not taking nothing from the system. So guys, you see how everything is working. So just want to give you an update. Within 0700 hours to this time right now, it's approximately 10:12. So over 10 hours now, 10:12. So you see that's the time. So within 7 something going to 8 and till 10, so approximately it's about two hours, or maybe coming 2.5 hours, and the system is already at 99%. Pretty soon it's going to be switching to 100%, and we are charged again and ready to go. The rest of it, we're just gonna be burning that power all day, sitting here singing Kumbaya to myself. Alright, thanks, bye for now. You see in the system saying -2 amp hours, or -2 amp hours remaining, which is right there, -2 amp hours. So that remains to be filled to the batteries, and it's supposed to jump to 100%. But remember, if you take like a 10 amps, you cannot just return 10 amps. You gotta go maybe 15, very close, or 15 to 18 or 20 amps. Okay, if you take 10 amps from a battery, you end up returning approximately, I'm using the word approximately, 15 to 18 or 20 amps back to the batteries. That's what it is. Okay, that's what it is. Stay tuned, and I'll come back with you showing you when the system goes 100%. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos if you find them interesting or helpful. Bye for now. Well, just going through a few options with you guys and just take a glance and see how things are going. And guys, that's the FNDC from Outback that does the state of charge and battery monitor. So that's the device. That's the temperature right there inside the box. This is the system, how it looks like. It's still on construction, all done yet, guys. And I'm gonna do some few changes there. I'm gonna be moving things back and forth, so just stay tuned. That's the mate and the hub, and stay tuned for that. Much progress you guys can see. It's 99%. If you look at the 10, 11, and -1 amp we have to put back to the battery. I suppose the battery will switch automatically to 100%. Point it out to you right here. And we started this morning at 95%. We took 5% of the batteries, and we took 11 amps from the batteries, so the system is almost replenished. And I'm still waiting. The amps already dropped way too low. Sorry, the amps and the watts so as well. And you guys can see we're just bringing 160 watt, which the batteries are almost 99.999 full. So let's see, within 2.5 hours going to 3 hours, it's all done. Okay, we're gonna see the 100% is gonna be clicking soon. All right, guys, finally you see the 100% right there. I've been waiting. I've been waiting for this, and it's 100% state of charge and 11 amps back return. If you see at the bottom here, it's already 0. Sorry, 0 out already. Okay, it's all 0, and we still, the charge controller is winding down. We've generated 900 watt hours and 45 watts coming in. See, because the lithiums, they don't have like end amps like lead acid, flooded acid, or AGM, which you can still electrical charge the system to maintain, to just keep it balanced. But lithiums, when you set the parameter, that's it. So when you hit it, it falls. Okay, so we already hit 100%. So at 900 watt hours, the batteries are full. Thanks for watching. JW Solar USA, these are updates. So approximately it's 900 watt hours we took from the batteries all night. So we replaced back the 11 amp hours, which is already there. See that? 100%. And let's go here. There you go. 100% state of charge. And we're still bringing about 50 watts, a little bit, 50, 60 watts, covered some other loads. Bye for now. I hope this video makes sense. This is just another series of videos how you guys can store power, energy storage, off-grid energy storage, and how you utilize power from solar. Not just to generate it, but you have to store it and able to reutilize it on nighttime or anytime you need it. Okay? Bye for now. Bye.